nong mikmat ka TMC na nong thamai uba Charles Pingrop haka arpo arparik urampang ula Kyntu ya ka sorkar banshim ki senjam ki badan kam bantam halor ki kam persya niam habawan ra ya ka 0 hour notice uba Pingrop ula ong bakadan ka jingshah haka bayadei bat ka wei ka reunion ka sister Rosemary na siju ha South Garo Hills kadai kabala syakren ban bat syak penhiar na kawai ka bas Asam katba kadang ya lenti na dohonol sya gol para bat kane kadai ka jingshah ka badang syujia syan kane ka jingshah kadai kabala ta ajor ya ka bor jingmut bor perkhan bat jingja buram jongka ulabu ka jingkarpat ya ka sorkar banshim kisin jam halor kane ka jingshah halor kane ka jingshah na kalyang menteri rang ba Konrad ki sangma ulaong bangidang ap ka jingtip ka bathik na kumba kalong menta ngidang ap tang katarik bat kapor bat ka jaka bakalen ngimpat yu satya ka number jong ka bas ni kiwei pat ki jingtip ki bala ban itho ya kitu ki brio ki badan kti ha ka ni ka jingle iban ulak kular ban penthik na bakum ka ni ka jingshah kim dei ban jia ha kinu ki jaka hapo kari.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.
Thank you for allowing me to move a 0-hour notice. Under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business regarding the news item published in the Nongsain Hima dated the 22nd of February 2024 under the caption Shakren Tomet and Shapen Jubor, the real name Nakabos Assam. So to translate into English very briefly, it says that the person concerned was subject to derogatory remarks by certain individuals and also literally thrown off the bus, thrown off the bus in Assam. So, this relates to an incident that happened where one sister, a nun, Sister Rosemary, serving at St. John's Parish, Siju, West Garo Hills, Meghalaya, South Garo Hills, Meghalaya, had to travel from Dudnai to Golpara on 17th of February 2024. The sister boarded the bus at 11 a.m. from Dudnai and paid the bus fare up to Golpara. Soon after the bus which had traveled the distance, the bus conductor and some of the passengers began to make derogatory remarks on her religious habit. The habit is the dress that she wears, and her faith. After some time, they stopped the bus at an isolated place and she was forced to alight from the bus. The incident caused serious mental agony and harassment to Sister Rosemary, both as a woman and a religious person. With the help of some other people, the sister then took another bus and proceeded to Golpara. So there are numerous religious priests and nuns in Assam and Meghalaya who wear their religious dress as in any other places in the country. Harassment of people because they wear a particular dress or religious habit is very disturbing and unheard and uncalled for. These incidents take place because of a false narrative and propaganda spread against a particular religion. In my opinion, I may put on record, sir, that I feel that this government should take adequate steps to curb such propaganda, thereby creating an atmosphere of social and religious harmony among the citizens. Many of our citizens from Meghalaya go to Assam for the purpose of seeking medical care, education, and other activities. Some of them wear their religious habit or carry religious symbols. So in the light of this incident and other incidents reported in the media recently, may I request the government of the day to take up the matter very seriously with the Assam government so that such incidents, such as the one mentioned above, is not repeated in the future. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'll not make a statement, but
This
as
is-
an
this
LO,
is a
sir, I'll
zero.
just submit a petition to the Honorable Chief Minister through you, sir, regarding the same incident, sir, to
May
show
later
that
take
we are not concerned about what has happened in Assam and it is not repeated in future, sir. So through you, sir, I would like to submit this to the Honorable Chief Minister, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, though the 0 hour was brought just this morning, and as rightly mentioned, sir, the written statement will be placed and given to the honorable members. But, sir, if, with your permission, I'll just make a very, very brief statement on this particular incident.
Right.
And so, sir, basically, this incident, of course, was informed to me on the day this happened by one of the bishops. And immediately after that, I have taken up the matter with the Assam Chief Minister. So this matter has been brought to his notice. And he has officially informed me that he will take necessary action. We are awaiting for more details because the information that we received was not sufficient to be able to pursue the matter in any official capacity. And the concerned person was in a state of shock. So therefore we did not get the details from her at any point, and she is also obviously not comfortable to give all the details immediately. So we are waiting for that particular information because as of now the only information we have is the date and the time and the location from where she traveled to the destination where she traveled. So we do not have the bus number, we do not have the details of the names or anything that could lead us to the concerned individuals. But for the information and knowledge of the House, so we are very much aware of this and we are taking it up. I have already taken it up as mentioned, and whatever needs to be done, sir, we will pursue this matter. And of course, sir, it will be continuous effort from the government side to ensure that such incidents should not happen. And in any location, anywhere in the region, in the state and in the country, these incidents should not happen. So we will take steps. As I said, I have already mentioned it and taken up the matter with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. But I'll give a more detailed and written reply after getting the detailed report from the concerned person and the officials.